Today we're going to change out my smart wheel and put the engine brake and cruise control back on that panel. Looks like I'm going to have to drill a few holes, change a couple things, but that shouldn't be too difficult with it. I already got the harness right up there. 4 different switches here. This one here is the cruise set reset. I don't know if you can see the part number on that or not. Then we got this one. We got that one. And we got that one. And then because Kenworth doesn't sell the dash nuts anymore, I got those. Well, here we are, got it all tore apart. I pulled the box out. There's some connections right down there for it. But I'm thinking there's some connections right over here, like that one right there, that goes to the cruise control. So that's where I'll plug in the wiring harness. All right, so we hooked those in there and took this cable out that matched the ones we took. They have, see? They're right there, the connections are right there. All right, here we go. I got this trial and error going on. I got right here the on-off switch, and right here the 3-position switch. I don't know which way they are, so it's either going to be up is working. Let's try it. It's all the way down, so we'll hope that's 1. All right, ready, set, go. Nope, that didn't work. Let's try it this way, see what happens. Oh, that's not good. So let's try this way. Okay, is that 1 or that 2? Let's know which way is on now. Okay. Try the middle, see what happens. That sounded like 1. Let's try this one. That sounded like 3. Okay, I'll leave it in 3 position for when I take it off. All right, let's see if this worked out. Check it out. Engine brake on. 3. Cruise control on. Set and resume. All right, cruise control's on. See what happens. Revved up. Back down. Cruise off. Jake on, set 3. Now I just gotta wait for my new steering wheel to show up, and I'll replace this ugly bastard too.